Welcome to my channel. Today I will review the iPhone 5s in 2023. This phone was released on 2013. The design was amazing. The back is made of aluminum. Sides are made of aluminum. The design and build quality is really so nice. This phone is available in this 3 color. Though it is a 10 years old phone, but it's still working without any major issues. This phone is so compact to hold in hand. The display is 4 inches, IPS LCD, and the resolution is 640 by 1136 pixels. It has the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass and oleophobic coating. I can't believe this display feels so smooth after 10 years. The processor is a dual-core 1.3 GHz, Apple A7, which is based on 28 nanometers. The RAM is 1 GB, but still so good. It has the storage of 16 GB or 32 GB or 64 GB. The home button is working properly, and it has fingerprint sensor on it. The main camera is 8 megapixel. The camera feels so smooth. It can record video in 1080p at 30 frames per second and slow motion in 720p at 120 frames per second. The front camera is only 1.2 megapixel but still good. It can record video in 720p at 30 frames per second. It has face detection also. It has accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass sensors, and all are working properly. The dual-tone flashlight is also working. The battery is 1560 mAh lithium polymer battery. The battery life is not enough in 2023. It has mute switch. It has loudspeakers and 3.5mm headphone jack and lightning port. The price started from $199 to $399 for various storage. That's for all. Subscribe my channel.